Lutino mia jakapa wiangwen gutiro kwero kwan mamegi ki UMI ijange mati gulu. Amori hajole ka winyi lorangea me wangcha wadek me otieno ila Kwet TV ki an Lamar Isabella. Kum lokdom duchu Warkidman. Lutino maramo mia jakapa wiangwen gutiro kwero kwan mamegi tinni ki Uganda Management Institute ijange mati gulu man bene kwe me tian Pierre Rio wia chele. Lutiana Pawi abungwen gutiro kwero kwangi ki postgraduate master in business administration. Lutiana Bero gutiro ki master in management studies. Lutiana Rio gutiro ki school of civil service and governance. Lutiana Pierre Bero abungwen gutiro ki postgraduate diploma in management science. Lutiana Pierre Wachel gutiro ki postgraduate diploma in finance management. Lieutenant Pierre Rio Wiangwen gutiro ki public administration and management. Kadong Lieutenant Pierre Bor Wiabero gutiro ki project planning and management. UMI Chancellor Geraldine Namirembe utiro foyo gamente pitote mamegi mechwako ko gangkwan meno kare duchu. En beno legalo teleme ya chuli me konyo ko dano me kwan matek weru le kakagi diri maja kainen gen gutegi. Bet ya olo chan matila chung od moko chek pa mon Meguli City otiro miyo tambod mon ni umiero gukte kwantalo gen na piertek piano bikonyo gen ki kom deno chan. Eno miyo la bolle ni lotino kwan me ya chuli makitiro kwan ki University Mapatpat beru nok tutwal kay por ki region mokene. Stella Adong matila tian kwan motiro kwan ki postgraduate in finance management no wajoni ibitiyu ki di yero maiti kere ni me konyo dano matinget en wekunge ked me gwarolim mamegi. Eno miyo luo bodmon me ya chuli sub-region me donyo e university me kwane ruom mamalo weku konko mamegi ki gae mamegi bene.
I'm so grateful that what I've achieved today, it's going to improve on my professionalism. Then I also hope for further studies. I'm hoping for CPA so that I improve on my profession for promotion or a better pay. Then also, I would like to advise my fellow girls to concentrate in their education because it's a source of investment, and they should also know that they too can make it by concentrating. I'm also encouraging their parents to also work so hard to make the girl child stay at school.
Tunya yom, piano ni penutum. Parangyo winding every finish line is the beginning of new race. So I need put my chakane for team of course. My vision is to see a better society. Karamo king age man no, we are hoping better my bay down away.
Yenegang kwan metiki kwan be tutwale ki wan mon miyo iri kare mi weko no ngech madwong mero ngech kom jami ma ikwano dap jami ma itikati yune kay kero la ka chiel wero idon idok teach makameri tutwale man makimoni career growth kombeni tutwale wan ma aki kumala ma Uganda kape kwano wero no promotion idok teach period da lego won tutwal ni du gang kwan met karatan makameku met ngej makameku were met ki dongo lo waman me Uganda kaw timu man ka chiel ki am ci wabi met ki don lo wa met ki telo lo ba choli da ko bi met ki wekko a choli man lo ba magangwa enini bu don da bu don met nyim
Gilbert Olanya matela chu od moko chek me Kilak South ya Moro district o wajane Pierre tek tutwal me medo rom me kwan non ya chuli sub region ka kimiro ni rom me kwan mede onyo ile malo en wajane dana me ya chuli sub region gimar kwan matek tutwal en to pero me chane region meno ayegeo gen ikom lutero mia jakapa we angwen magen gutiro kwan ke UMI lutero mia chel ki Pierre bijwe abichel ayego aki ya chuli sub region Ikweme mwaka mukarme tien Pierre Rio ne inoni lutiano mia dekeken ayegu tiro kwero kwan mamegi kay por kime mwaka ni. Kidong lutiano mea chuli sub-region oberu Pierre Beer wia bungwen keken. Kiman bene kay neno inoni ruam kwane ya chuli sub-region tika iromalo dok bene lutina nyira tie mapol kay por ki lutina wobe. Ikom lutena chwele mia chelgi Pierre bichwia bichel magoti yako kwangi ki UMI ikwe metian Pierre rio wia chele inone lutena nyira oberu mia chelgi apa kadong lutena ube oberu Pierre ngwen wia bichel keken. Man ke por gikwe me mamukara inone lutena chwele oberu Pierre ber wia bungwen keken. Kiman beno kelewe ya giki melorangema megwa ila Kwet TV yotiano tin. Alego ni uvod mabe kachawani oromo.